Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up Martian Wallet extension on the Google Chrome. So let's start with typing martianwallet.xyz, which is the official website of this wallet. Now we need to click the Add to Browser button. We are redirected to Chrome Web Store site, so we just need to add Martian to the browser as extension. Here, we need to go with the Create a New Wallet option. Now, we need to put the password for our extension wallet. I recommend creating a strong one. Check this box, and after that click Continue. In this step, you need to save your recover phrase. Remember to not share this with anyone, as this is a direct access to the funds you have on your wallet. After you are ready, click Continue. Here you can choose if you want to have desktop notifications from the wallet. Then click Continue. Here also go with Continue. And the wallet is now created. You can fully explore both Aptos and Sui Ecosystems with your extension. Have fun! So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.